In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a professional online store using Shopify. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to launch an online store, you're in the right place. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for beginners. To get started, visit shopify.com and click the Create for Free button. Shopify offers a generous 3-day free trial for every new store, giving you plenty of time to explore the platform, build your store, and decide whether it aligns with your business goals. Once your store is set up, the next important step is choosing a theme from Shopify's extensive theme store. This is where the visual identity of your online store begins to come together. From your admin dashboard, click Online Store in the left-hand menu, then select Themes. In the top right corner, click Import Theme to access Shopify's theme store. You'll find a wide selection of both free and paid themes. As you browse, consider each theme's features and customization options, since some may offer more flexibility than others. Choose a theme that best fits your brand, products, and overall vision. You can click on any theme to preview it and see exactly how your store will look to customers. This preview helps you determine whether the design matches your brand identity. If you like a theme, simply click at if it's free, or purchase it if it's paid. After adding your theme, head back to the Themes section in your admin dashboard. You'll see the new theme listed there. Click Publish to make it live on your store. And that's it, you've successfully selected and launched a design template for your Shopify store. With your new theme in place, your store is ready to attract visitors and turn them into customers. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to running a professional, visually appealing, and fully functional online store. Peace out and happy selling.